Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Dynamic Tech. Guys, today we have got these two beasts from the Samsung and from the Samsung Galaxy, but the only difference between these two beasts is the series. Today I have got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 up against the Samsung Galaxy A80. So basically today it's between the Note versus A series. So let's begin. Guys, right now both of the devices are turned off, and let me tell you that today we are gonna do speed test on both of these smartphones, and we are gonna find out that which one of the smartphone is best made for you and which one of the smartphone is going to edge out in this speed test. So let's begin, and we are going to start our speed test with the first boot up test because both of the phones are right now turned off. So I'm going to turn them on in exactly 3, 2 and 1. And yes, you can see here that the logo on the Samsung Galaxy A80 has appeared faster than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And let's see who's gonna edge out here in the first boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for more upcoming updates regarding smartphone comparison, unboxing and much more. And yes, we have a winner here, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, while the A80 was left out behind. Moving on, guys, I have already set up these application right over here, and I'm going to open each of these application one by one, and we are gonna find out about the response from both of these smartphones. But before going into that, let me just tell you about some main specification on both of these smartphones. So guys, on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 we have got a 6GB of RAM with a chipset of Exynos 8895, while on the Samsung Galaxy A80 we have got 8GB of RAM and a chipset of Snapdragon 730. Let me tell you that it was also released in May 2019, while this phone is 2 years older in the market. So let's begin. So guys, here we are and we are all set up. So I'm going to start the speed up with the SoundCloud. That would be the first application, and let's see. Well, it opened up faster on the A80 than the Note 8. Now moving on towards smash hit, and let's see who's gonna edge out here on the other one. And yes, we have a winner, that is again the Samsung Galaxy A80. The A series is now winning the game. So moving on towards Amazon shopping, we cannot just jump to a conclusion. Well, it looked like that it was already open on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, though it was not. Let me just show you that on the background we have nothing else except the application that we just opened up right now. Moving on towards Subway Surf, and let's see who's going to win here. And yes, we have a winner, that is the A80, keeping in mind that the A80 has an 8GB of RAM. Moving on towards Zedge, and let's see, a little bit faster on the A80, but I'm gonna call this even. Now moving on towards Sky Master, and once again at the same time even once again. Now moving on towards Netflix, and let's see, whoa, both of the smartphones are extremely faster in response. That is quite tremendous performance from the Note and the A series. Moving on towards Flipkart, and let's see who's going to open up here faster. And yes, we have a winner, that is the Note 8, with quite a difference, a noticeable difference between the response. Moving on towards Pinout, and let's see what is going to happen here. Yes, the win goes to the A80. The Samsung Galaxy A80 has rocked the floor here with the Angry Birds. That would be the last test, and then we are gonna move on towards internet connection speed tests. So Angry Birds, and keep watching the video for more tests. Guys, gaming is where you need higher performance, so if you're a game lover you should obviously opt that device. And yes, the win goes to the Galaxy A80, and was quite faster than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which kind of look like stuck in this application and is moving a very little, and I think it is not moving at all. I think it's stuck here. That is quite disappointing from. And yes, it has finally started, but it has lost the test. Let me just try opening this dial pad. Well, faster on the A80. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. Let me just try opening Wikipedia and see. And yes, the win goes to the A80. Now let me just open, I should say, YouTube, and let's see who's going to edge out here exactly at the same time. I'm gonna call this even. And moving on towards Cricket Buzz, yes, open up faster on the Note 8. So guys, this was the basic speed test from us for today. And as you saw in this speed test that both of the phones are super premium and super faster and expensive, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has been for almost now 3 years in the market, while this one is the new release. If you are thinking of upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 towards the A80, whether you are a game lover or you are a social media user and into taking more beautiful selfies with a larger display with a beautiful screen, so I think you should go for this upgrade. And if you are thinking of sticking to your phone, that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, so I think this phone is gonna last 1 year extra for you, so you can keep it up to yourself for 1 extra year the upcoming year, because this performance is not really bad. Though that it has been for almost 3 years in the market, it competed very well with the Samsung Galaxy A80. Drop us below a comment that what do you think of both of these smartphones. Keep watching our video and keep supporting us.